Alright, good evening YouTube. It has been a while since I have posted a video, so I figured tonight would be a good night and show you this. What you're looking at is a Willys L134 Cutaway engine. This engine was at a local high school in the automotive class. And I happened to run across it at work and found it in the scrap pile. I painted it back the olive drab color and somewhat restored it. It is missing a few little parts that I could tell, and some broken parts like this piece of manifold that's left on it. But it's understandable, being that it was at a high school and things do get broken. What I do know about it, don't know if you can see this or not, it was built for the United States Navy Special Devices Center by the Grand Central Aircraft Company for the Marine Corps to train the military personnel on the Willys Jeep. Serial number is 5. I don't know if you can see that, but that says Training Aid Automotive Engine Gasoline. I have not been able to find any like it, but judging by that serial number, I know at least 5 were made. It's an awesome piece of history that I believe deserved to be saved and preserved. Alright, here's the cool part. It actually runs 6 volts. And there you have it. The cutaway of the Willys L134 engine. Hope you enjoyed it.